There's so many things that go into making a business easier to run, right? I mean, everything from how you're managing your finances to how you're, whatever. But let's just focus on HighLevel and the services that you're designing to deliver through HighLevel. First of all, most importantly, you want to stay away from doing anything that's custom and stay away from doing anything that's time-based, okay? So just the choice there of saying, I am not going to trade time for money, and I am going to productize my services so that I'm selling essentially the same thing over and over again versus crafting a custom solution for every business that I'm selling to. Just those decisions. And when I say decision, I mean, the root word of the word, right? To cut off other options, to just say that is all I'm doing, period, end of sentence, because I know that if I do anything else, it breaks my overall goal of trying to build this scalable lifestyle business that I don't have to spend too much time on. That is number one. Number two is it's got to be recurring revenue, right? Recurring revenue is the ultimate for lifestyle business because your life all of a sudden becomes much more styling when you know that on X day of the month or every day of the month, whatever it is, you're going to have thousands of dollars of revenue coming in versus having to go and hunt for that revenue every day for new revenue. So it's got to be recurring revenue. So in your service package design and design of the overall business, those factors have to be front and center, and you have to be incredibly disciplined about them. The next thing is that, and kind of in the spirit of what I just described there, you want to create a system. So the opposite of selling a custom thing is to sell a system that you have pre-designed, productized, and said, this is the asset that I sell. As much as possible, I try to tell people to imagine that you are selling something that you have to put into a box on the shelf at Walmart, okay? If you go into Walmart to buy something, you don't go to that thing on the shelf and go, hey guys, I'd like you to customize that for me. It doesn't quite fit. It's not the way it works, right? You either go there and you say, yeah, that's what I'm looking for, or you look for the next thing on the shelf, or you go to Target, right? It's to manufacture a product living with the reality that not everybody is a damn customer. Not everybody's gonna like that we have these features on our product and not these features, and only comes in these colors. Every smart business understands that you can't be everything to everybody. You gotta choose how you're going to differentiate in the marketplace. You gotta stick to it. Are there cases, of course, where you're getting enough feedback from the market that you say, hey, you're missing the target here with this product, you need to adjust? Yes, but you adjust at some sort of scale. You don't adjust for every single business that comes along and says, I want something different, or every single customer that comes along and says, I want something different. The biggest risk and challenge that service providers like us face is that you feel like, well, I should just be able to do anything. I mean, it's so flexible. I don't have a product on a shelf at Walmart. I have hustle and creativity and drive and all of those things that have been sold to you, by awesome, well-intended motivational speakers and books and stuff that we all love. Those are all incredible qualities to have and apply strategically towards building your business and building your products and services. But when I say strategically, it's incredibly important to realize that with small businesses, they can't pay you enough to have you jumping through hoops for them. If you were selling to a Fortune 500 company that was signing a deal with you for 10 million bucks, jump through the damn hoops. But small businesses are going to squawk at you about paying 150 bucks for a thing, right? So you can't get caught in that game. Is there some customization that you're going to do with the setup of your system? Yes, but HighLevel has made that incredibly efficient with custom values and snapshots so that you can deliver something that feels really custom without having to go through nearly as much effort